Have you ever felt an unexplainable shift in your emotions or energy during a full moon? You're not alone. For centuries, people have believed that the moon's phases influence more than just the ocean tides. They may also affect our ability to manifest abundance and positive change. The moon goes through a cycle roughly every 29.5 days: new moon, waxing phases, full moon, and waning phases. Scientists, like those at NASA, study the moon's surface and orbit, but many spiritual traditions believe these same cycles influence our mental and emotional states. During the new moon, energy is prime for setting intentions, like planting seeds in fertile soil. As the moon grows toward fullness, it's said to amplify the intentions we set, carrying them to a higher vibrational level. So, how do you tap into this cosmic energy? One popular method is the new moon ritual. Take a moment to reflect on your goals, whether it's financial freedom, better health, or more fulfilling relationships. Write these intentions on paper. Be specific. Next, visualize them as if they've already happened. The key is to feel the emotions associated with achieving your desire. This emotional charge, combined with the moon's waxing energy, can help propel you toward your goals. Then, once the moon reaches fullness, it's a time for gratitude and release. Express thanks for what you've gained, and let go of any limiting beliefs holding you back. Here are a few quick tips. 1. Track the lunar cycle in a journal or calendar to align your actions with each phase. 2. During the new moon, focus on clarity and intention setting. 3. As the moon waxes, take inspired action steps. This is when momentum is strongest. 4. At the full moon, practice gratitude and release negativity. By syncing your manifestation practice with the moon's phases, you tune into a cosmic rhythm that can boost your results. And, while there's no scientific guarantee you'll become a millionaire overnight, many people find that working in harmony with lunar cycles brings them deeper focus, motivation, and success. Ready to unlock more of the moon's hidden power? Check out the link in the description for additional lunar manifestation guides and exclusive insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. And may the moon's energy guide you to your greatest desires.